Hey all, good afternoon. How you all have been? Today, I will be sharing with all of you a mixed veg recipe with prawns. I will also share a moong dal recipe with this. And for the veg lovers, if you all want to have the same dish, please skip the prawns and you can add sugar in it. For you can also add the jaggery powder or brown sugar or refined sugar, anything of your choice, and can make the recipe. It will be equally tasty. This is the cooking pan, which I have got from Fujiro. It is very healthy to eat in this pan. The only thing is it's not non-stick, but there is no problem in cooking in this particular pan because the food comes out very tasty. At times, I feel that each and every recipe I should show in a new cooking pan, which is ideally not possible because in each and every house we all have limited space and we cannot keep so many crockeries. But my love for crockery is so much that I feel like having each and every dish in a new crockery, which is ideally not possible. But with the time, I have started, knowing the fact and knowing the reality that yes, we cannot have every day a new pan to cook. You all can share in the comment section what you all are having in the afternoon. And if you all like this recipe and if you all want to request for any other recipe, please do feel free to write in the comment section. I will definitely try to fulfill your request. Since I've never cooked from my childhood and also before my marriage, I used to not go to the kitchen. Today also it becomes very hard for my mom to know that I can cook so many dishes. So at times she get very surprised to see me cooking all this and and handling so many recipes and sharing so many recipes. So she actually feels very happy. After the lunch, in the evening, we decided to go to Candies because it's been quite some time that I have been to Candies. So today I will go to Candies and will take you all over there with me. Since the time mom is here, she has been asking me to take her to Candies. So today she is extremely happy that we are going to Candies. I love prawns, so I feel like adding prawns in all of my recipes. Especially when I'm tired of having simple veg recipes, then I feel like adding prawns in it because it gives double tastes in the food, and especially for the seafood lovers, they can understand that it will increase the taste of the vegetables if we add prawns in it. So I always keep adding prawns, and I also love prawn recipes a lot. That's my favorite. Cooking is a stress buster to me. I always feel when I'm too much in stress, I should try out new recipes, and it keeps me fresh and happy all the time. If I'm sad, I try to cook something because it gives me a lot of refreshment, and I forget my sadness and I become very happy. So, cooking, whenever I cook, I feel very happy. So, cooking is basically a stress buster for me. I'm going to add a very less water in this recipe, though I will add hot water. As you all know, I cook only with hot water. So, but very less water because I don't want to keep any gravy in this recipe. And whether you cook it as non-veg or as veg, but this dish doesn't come out with any gravy. So don't put more water in this particular dish. This whole process of cooking, the initial stage of frying the vegetables and also frying prawns, we can do it in a medium flame. But after adding water, then we can, set the dish, in slow flame. Because in slow flame, the cooking goes, it becomes very, very tasty and it get boiled also very properly. So we need to put the vegetable into slow flame. I still remember those days when I was young. I used to never like to have vegetables What my mom used to do, she used to put few prawns and I used to start eating them. So these were the tricks she used to do while, feeding me when I was young. At times when I sit alone, I feel those young days were the best. No responsibilities, nothing to get worried about, no bills to pay. That was the wonderful golden time we had. Nowadays, whenever we have grown up, we have started working, we have a lot of responsibilities, we do have a lot of tension. Those days were the tension-free golden childhood days to me. To me, the days that are gone are much better than the days that will be coming. I always cherish and I believe the past memories are always something that we can cherish about. This dish is almost ready because while talking to you all, I didn't even realize that we have come to the end of the cooking of this dish because it's almost done and it is boiled. So this is ready to serve, and then we can move on to the moong dal recipe. Yeah, for moong dal recipe, you all can take moong dal. With that, some jeera and red chili. Here I have taken crushed ginger, but if you all want, you can take ginger paste also. So that is something which you can take as per your choice. And when it comes to oil, I believe that any oil means any refined oil or olive oil or rice bran oil is perfectly fine. Moong dal is one of the most easiest dal to do, and it is one of the most easiest recipe to prepare moong dal, and it is very tasty. And you can have moong dal. It has got a specialty that whether you are eating veg or non-veg, you can have moong dal. Though I always, prefer putting a little jaggery sugar or a brown sugar in it, and moong dal always, bring that, a little sweet taste. But you can have it with the veg and the non-veg recipes. After frying the dal, then I will close the lid and set the dal for whistle. Now it totally depends on how many whistle you want, because if you want the dal to totally mix, then definitely 3 to 4 whistle. Otherwise, 1 to 2 whistle is also okay. Now it totally depends on the person who is preparing, because I love my dal to get mixed properly. So that's why many a times I use 3 to 4 whistle. As I told you all already that I'm going to Candies today in the evening, so I'm extremely excited. Even mom has asked me twice or thrice in the middle that what all we will do there, and means because she knows that there is a shop inside the Candies and it is very beautiful. So she was continuously asking that what will we get there and everything. And so even I'm also very excited and looking forward for our evening, outing today. I am basically shopaholic, so anything that I see and anything that I like, and I pick it up. So anyone who is like shopaholic, who loves shopping, who loves to pick up new things, please write in the comment section what is your experience, where you all go for shopping. I will be very happy to read it. As I've already told you all that cooking is my stress buster. So apart from cooking, the one more thing which is my stress buster is shopping. Whenever I go for my shopping, it refreshes my mind and makes me feel happy. So that is one of the stress buster. So this is the consistency of dal I was talking about. If you all want this type of consistency, then definitely 3 to 4 whistle is important. There is a tips for the people who feel if you put ginger on the oil, and jeera and all. Then it started, sparkle inside the oil. And what you all can do is put a little, turmeric powder and spread it. So then the sparkles becomes very less. So that is one of the tips which I can give you, especially for the people who feels very afraid when they put jeera and ginger paste on the oil directly. So I'll fry these ingredients for few seconds, and after that I'll add the dal in it, and it gives a wonderful fragrance is coming out of this masala. And when we add the dal, since my dal is a little thicker, so I will be adding hot water to it. So we have almost come to the end of this recipe because after putting the hot water only, after a good stir, then this dal will be ready and ready to serve. So we are almost in the end where yes, definitely. I just have to mix the dal a little, and it is almost ready to serve. Since this type of recipes are means the vegetables that I made is a dry veg recipe which doesn't have any gravy. So any one type of dal is must with it. So either this dal or you all can take masoor dal also or tur dal and whatever you are comfortable with. But one dal is must. So I also wanted to share with you all a feedback about this pressure cooker, which I bought few days before from Wonder Chef. Now, whenever I washed the top, cover of it, and then I try to put it or fix it, I cannot because it is very difficult, and many at times it's very difficult to set it for whistle. But the same thing, I'll give you another comparison with my Prestige pressure cooker. This is not the case. If you wash it ample of times and then you put it, but it sets very properly. So this is one of the feedback I wanted to share with all of you. So our lunch is ready to eat now.
Hey all, I am going to Candies in Bandra after a long time, so we'll have lots of fun with mom today. So stay tuned. So I'm just entering Candies. There are two Candies in Bandra, which is close to Lilavati Hospital, one of them, and whose video I've already uploaded before. And today I have come to the Hill Road Candies. So we'll share with you all the updates. Is there with me, and she loves candies, and we both will enjoy over there. She loves candies.
This is a joint which has got its own vibes and its speciality in the cake and the sweets. You all know I have, showed you all before also. It is simply yummy and I'm definitely going to take few of it. So mom is just, choosing that what she will eat today, but she's standing in the dessert counter to check what has been prepared over there, though she will not eat dessert. So then I'm here in the, veg and the non-veg counter. So the pan rolls are very, very tasty basically. So I'll have to have a pan roll is what I've decided. And I'm taking you all through the salad counter also. Though it is almost because it is evening, so almost all the salads are empty by now. Because from the morning, these people might be tired of filling these bowls because they are crazy in demand. And whatever I take, one type of salad is must with it. So as I all told you that I've taken this veg chop and this pan roll, and with that the salad and the mojito. Yes, mom has taken one chicken, roll. So she will be having it, and we enjoyed the food a lot. And after the food, yes, the shopping comes in. So this is a beautiful store, where I come always to pick up the things, and they are simply amazing. The store has got lovely collections, and I always come here whenever I come to the Hill Road Candies. And you all will see a big bag in my mom's hand because she had gone for a checkup, and then we came here. So reached home just now. I will show you one by one what all I have picked up from there. And it was my long time dream to take a angel. And today I finally got one of these, which I loved so much that I took it. It's so cute and beautiful that I fell in love with the showpiece. They were of different colors, but I chose this white color because I felt that this is the cutest among all. So mom took this shopping bag with Mumbai written on it. It's a very beautiful, cute bag, and I have taken this two gift bags because whenever I want to gift something, I always want to wrap it in a lovely bag. So I took this too, and this is a folding shopping bag, which when we open it, it becomes so big, and these are all very useful items.
Just reached home now. Mom was extremely happy today after going to Candies after so long. And we really enjoyed the food and shopping over there. I've showed you all what all I shopped from Candies. So that's all for today now. Until next, me Polumi signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.